What is going on YouTube? So as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be dropping the GT500 off to go get it wrapped. I'm not going to say what color it is or anything. I'm just going to surprise you guys once it's done. The reason it's all the way over there instead of right here under my house is because I just washed it and the tree drops a bunch of stuff on it, so I don't want to do that. But yeah, it's going to be a really short video. I'm just taking it to the wrap shop, dropping it off, and that is basically it for today. But let's go ahead and go take it. Alright y'all, time to say goodbye to the white. Honestly, I'm gonna miss it a bit, but I'm more excited to how it's gonna look once it's done. It's always been something I've wanted to do to one of my cars. I've always wanted to wrap it, and honestly I was planning to do the first time I wrap a car like myself, I'd want to do it myself, but actually the shop I'm dropping it off at is my new sponsor, so I got sponsored by them, so that's why they're doing the wrap for me. It's actually the same shop that put the airlift on my 3-valve. So yeah, it's somebody I trust with my cars, which you have to be very careful when you're working with anybody. You have to make sure you trust them with your car. Anyways, let's go. Who's broke? I'm not broke. I got like 5 racks.
I think you broke. Why you playing FIFA 17?
I'm bored.
Sorry? I'm trying to say it wasn't clean enough, but with the intake,
Alright, I'll give you my phone so you know where we're going.
you just gotta tell me where.
There's hella traffic.
If it's just the Mac Road, I know how to get there.
Well, if you go on the street, it'll change. Dang. You loud boy. Alright, so I'm with my boy Gabe right now. He's gonna go take me to pick up the snake. It's like a week later right now. I'm excited to see it. Alright, we're pulling up to the house right now. The nerves are hitting. I wonder if it's outside. Yeah, bro. Yeah, dude, pictures did not do it justice. Oh my god. It looks wet. What you think?
That is insane.
Yo! The 500. Alright, bro. I changed my mind. I'm not doing the other one.
That's breaking the internet.
Woo! Over here. You be my cameraman.
I'll be your cameraman.
Bro, that shit looks hella wet. Yo.
First reactions?
This shit is definitely clean, dude.
The bolts are pissing me off.
What, the little 2 phones?
Yeah. That's all I gotta do is put those 2 back on there.
Holy shit, though, man.
Big difference, huh?
Big difference.
Oh, okay. That's all I was like, do y'all really care if I do that? No. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was
You got a lot of cars here today, huh? Dang, dude.
I like the bed. Definitely a unique look on that.
It is a little bit.
Yeah.
It was easy.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, man.
So yeah.
Just let me know when it's
Nah, your phone doesn't take good pictures.
So I'm gonna just do a quick walk around of it. It's kind of dirty right now, but if you guys didn't know, the wrap is inspired by these shoes. They're called the Fearless ones. I just really like them, and the meaning behind it is like, I have a little thing in the car that came with the shoes.
Wait, stay like that.
Well, either way, it says limits, like fears, are often just an illusion. So that's what this is based off of. Alright, so I just picked up the car. I'll be doing another video where you guys get to see the whole thing better, just because it's kind of in the shade. But I'll see you guys in the next video, and welcome Fearless GT500.